What is up, guys? It's Lauren, the female filmer. Welcome back to my channel, and we're doing something a little different today. We're making ice cream with alternative modes of power. So, traction engine ice cream, a John Deere tractor. Steam is cooler. Steam is better. So, if you want to see some cool ice cream making action, let's get into it. Oh no.
Half a rocket.
Really?
You're fast enough on the throttle.
It's such a cute little thing.
I like 2 cylinders. I was just gonna back up.
Back.
Yes, or move the engine forward.
Found a recipe on TikTok for 1890 strawberry ice cream. So that's what we're doing. It's very messy so far. But yeah. Did the yolks out of a dozen eggs. And we have our strawberry mixture. There's a lot more ingredients, but this is where we're at so far. Ice cream. Ice, rock salt,
More ice.
Having fun.
Is that a video?
Yeah. Are you having fun?
Yes. Yes, I'm having fun. That's my shit before you ask.
a little ways to go.
Oh.
Now we're getting somewhere.
Look at that ice cream. Turning it to tractor mode. Or attempting to.
Take it all the way out.
We could hook the steam engine up to the pulley and start it.
It's weird to see Jesse on a tractor.
It looks unnatural.
This isn't as cool looking.
Just roll the flywheel. Oh yeah, talk about grease.
Look at the cute little Baker fan.
We used to use John Deere brand.
We have Total Solutions orange cleaners, and then we have my favorite is Cherry Bomb because it's your hands smell like cherries. So.
That cherry bomb, we had a cherry smelling hand cleaner from
It's probably
same from B something from the uniform company. What the hell is our uniform company now? Anyways, one thing cool because like you never have a piece that fits in the hole that you want.
So I guess I never finished that video. Also, my cheeks are a little red from Florida. The ice cream was good. The strawberry ice cream turned out really creamy. We did not get food poisoning. If you saw my TikTok or Instagram, I think I posted, there was a clip of us joking around getting salmonella from raw eggs, but no, it was fine. Tasted really good. I think I didn't put enough strawberries in it, so I think It could have used a little more strawberries. We'll definitely do it again. And as I said prior, the steam engine, way better than the John Deere, sorry.